Hello guys and girls, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel again. This side Shubham Tamrakar, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the trade recap. Okay, I have a trade which is the first trade of this year, CAT GPY. In this today's session, in this today's video, we are going to discuss about that. We are going to discuss about how I executed that trade and what is the price action structures and what is the current opportunity right now we had in that trade to capitalize. Okay, so let's just start. This is a daily time frame of CAT GPY. You can see in daily time frame the price action structure is very clear. In daily time frame the price is moving into the broadening pattern, which is clearly indicating that over the period of time what we are going to have a very good downside movement on a CAT GPY. Why? You can see first touch, this is the second touch. What we are looking for, we are looking for probably the third touch of the structure, which is going to be at this area. Okay, so let's just move into the smaller time frame. Daily time frame structure is clearly indicating that over the period of time, CAT GPY should have to move to a downside. Now, moving to the 4 hourly time frame, if you look at this, if I just focus on a current price action structure, you can see the current price action structure is very clear. This is a current price action structure. You can see this on a 4 hourly time frame. In 4 hourly time frame, the price action structure is saying that this is what the double top pattern. If I just take this price action pattern, this is what called the pattern separation. Okay, you can use this tool. This is a bar pattern you can use to identify the structures. Okay, so this is a bar pattern. In this pattern you can see the price action structure is clearly indicating that it should have to move to the downside. Okay, why? Because this is a double top. Okay, so double top is structure is saying that what it is indicating, you can see this is what clear level. You can see this is very important level which we look for. You can see price was get rejected from first, then it moved up. This is what happened. This is what called the mesh psychology. I hope you understand mesh psychology now, because lots of time I have discussed about that mesh psychology. This is what happened. You can see most of the traders lose money at this area. You can see same thing was happened at the lower two. Price was break this level and again completely moved to the upside. Same thing happened in this structure too. Price moved this level and what happened, it moved down. This is what called the mesh psychology. And what I'm looking for over the period of time, this is what the very good target. Okay, for the short term, this is a very clear target on CAT GPY. Now let's move forward into the smaller time frame, which is 1 hourly time frame. This is what called the top to down analysis. Whenever we are trading in a forex market, we have to understand one thing, that top to down analysis is very important. Now if you look at this, this is what the previous important support level. This is very important previous support level. How I executed that trade, that is one of the most important thing you can learn from it. You can see the price moved up. This was called the mesh psychology. It moved down. This is what called the backing the structure. The price again back to the structure. What happened? Price back to the structure, it formed correction, and this was a very clear confirmation. After the breakout of correction structure, what we do, we get involved in a trade. So this is what very clear trade for me. It was very clear trade. You can see in 15-minute time frame structure, the price action structure is clearly indicating this was clear impulse move, price form correction, it moved down to the continuation, it hit the and it is currently running on profit. So as a trader, it is very important to understand that how you can capitalize these profits, and how you can trade the impulse correction continuation structure. So this is what I'm looking for on in a CAT GPY. This is my first target. Right now, I have revised my stop loss at a cost because this trade has moved 1%. So this is what my rule is. Whenever my trades move to the 1% target, I revise my stop loss at a cost and hold this position. So same thing I'm expecting right now over here too. Uh, Price action structure is very clear. You can see in a 1 hourly time frame, in a 4 hourly time frame, this is the first target. And over the period of time, if you look at this long-term target is very clear. This is a long-term target for me on this trade, and this is going to be a very good trade too. You can see the entry was very clear, impulse correction continuation. So this is what I have to explain to you, and this was a great trade for me, and this was the first trade of the year. I hope you understand how to get involved in a trade. It is very important to wait for the confirmations to getting involved. Okay, although the structure was very clear, you can see this was very good structure, but at that time I was missed. What happened? Price again moved up, it played mesh psychology, and it give you a clear confirmation that how you have to get involved. So wait for the confirmations to getting involved in a trade. And this is what my first trade of the year. I hope you understand this and you enjoyed this. over the period of time in a long-term structure, you can see in CAT-JPY is very, very clear. We can see some very downside movement, and this is what I have projected to. Thank you. I hope you understand, and wait for the next video. Thank you.